Learn how to easily create a stunning logo for your website using Canva's powerful design tools, even if you have no prior design experience. Sign up and open Canva. If you don't have an account, sign up at canva.com. Once you're in, go to the search bar and type "logo" to access logo templates. Choose a template or start from scratch. Browse Canva's wide selection of logo templates or start with a blank canvas if you want to create your design from scratch. Pick a template that suits your brand's identity and vision. Customize the design. Use Canva's drag-and-drop interface to customize the logo. You can change the text, colors, and elements to fit your brand. Add your brand name and tagline, adjust fonts, and tweak colors that represent your brand's personality. Add icons or shapes. Click on Elements to explore thousands of icons, shapes, and graphics. Add a unique symbol or icon that enhances your logo's design and reflects your business. Ensure scalability. Make sure your logo works in various sizes. Canva allows you to resize your design easily by dragging the corners of the logo. Test it in different dimensions to ensure it looks good on your website, social media, and print materials. Download your logo. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG for high-quality images or SVG for scalable vector format if you're using Canva Pro. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.